guys, it is Thursday, November 16th, and it is 6:40 in the morning. Seamus is just in the shower. I didn't plan on getting up this early, but I was awake anyway, so I got up and ready to go. It's another rainy day today, but we're gonna make the most of it because a rainy day in Disney World is better than a sunny day anywhere else. And I keep repeating that. I keep repeating that to myself because we're here and we have to make the most of it. The weather looks like it's gonna be rainy most of the time we're here, so hopefully we get a little bit of sun. But I'm wearing my hat today. I have my hair in braids, and I have my Spirit jersey on. It is the Mickey 100 one that I showed in my last video. If you didn't go watch yesterday's vlog, link is up here. Go watch the first one and then watch them in order, or watch it after this one, it doesn't matter. I just have these comfortable black shorts on, and I'm gonna put these sneakers on today. I wore my black ones yesterday. They're a little bit wet, so we're gonna wear these today. We're going to Hollywood Studios today. We got the lightning lane. We're gonna do the, yep.
You gotta put some housekeeping in?
For money?
What?
Money?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we paid for Genie Plus again today. To get the lightning lanes, it was $20 a person. And my goal is to get a Slinky Dog Dash. Even though it's raining, we'll get Slinky Dog Dash, hopefully. And Mickey Runaway Railway. Today we don't have to worry too much about getting everything done because we have another Hollywood Studios day as our last day. Seamus and I are gonna go eat breakfast at 7 since we're awake. We're gonna take the Skyliner over to Hollywood Studios this morning, so we don't have to do the buses today. So plans today are breakfast, and then we're gonna pop over to the Skyliner, get that over to Hollywood Studios. They open at 8:30, and then I'm gonna do some lightning lanes and try to get a lot of rides done like we did yesterday. The weather right now is 21 degrees and overcast. High of 23 today, low of 20, so it's not gonna be cold at all. That might be cold for people who live in Florida, but in 20 degrees, I mean in Celsius, because we're from Canada and that's what we do. It's not cold, but I do see a lot of people here wearing like long pants and sweaters and jackets. But at 7 a.m. it's supposed to be sun and cloud, but then it's supposed to rain on and off. It's gonna stop raining at 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. and it's gonna start again.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Right on the country screen, it's right among fires.
Good? Wave, Liz. Wave bye.
Testing, testing.
First of all, pay attention to the numbers you're standing on. I'm gonna be no floors on the left.
So when your plans call for intergalactic
of the red and black stars.
I used to bang it on the head drum.
We're back from the park. We were at Hollywood Studios all day in the pouring rain, but we rode most of the rides actually, except a couple. It was pouring rain. We were in our ponchos most of the day. I had my sweater on all day too. It wasn't cold, but it was just rainy. I didn't film too much because it was raining so much and I didn't want to soak my camera. So hopefully I had some clips, but we are going to Hollywood Studios later in the trip on our last day, so I think we're expecting some nicer weather, so I'll try to get some more footage that day. It's 8:04. We were supposed to stay for Fantasmic, but it got canceled. I don't know if I'm assuming because of the rain, but they originally told us they wouldn't cancel it unless there's lightning, but it did get canceled. We had supper at the Hollywood Brown Derby, and it was part of the dining package that we got priority seating at the Fantasmic show. After supper, we got the little cards that showed that we could go sit in like the special seating area. But since it got canceled, I went to guest services and they're really nice and switched it so we can go see the fireworks in the same seating area on our last day instead. So that's good. Yesterday was pouring rain and today was raining even harder. Everyone was a good sport and we got lots of stuff done. The next at least 4 days are gonna be sunny, so that's great. Tomorrow is a rest day. I lost the audio here, but I was just saying that tomorrow is a rest day, so we won't be going to a park, but we are headed to the Contemporary Resort in the morning for breakfast at Chef Mickey's. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me and the next Disney vlog. Thanks so much for watching.